That would have been my next question actually. All Lamborghini cars in India are CBU, completely built units, coming in from
Yes.
Italy.
Yeah.
Now, Italy was not in a very good position either, and we, I think, just overtook Italy in the number of cases. Things are
Yeah.
coming back to normal there. But having said all of these things, do you see in the coming times the supply of the coming in of these vehicles to sort of a delay here and there, not just in India but in markets around the world?
Yes, because Italy was one of the market which was very badly hit by the virus, and uh, the situation also forced us to shut down our manufacturing facility in Sant'Agata, Bologna, because we had to put the safety and the health of our people on topmost priority. So we now restarted our factory after 7 weeks of closure in April, and slowly and gradually we are ramping up the production, and now we are reaching the 100% capacity at plant. But having said this, yes, there is a delay in terms of meeting the timelines what we discussed with our customers at the time of accepting the order, and we have been constantly in touch with all of them, and we have now updated them. With the new timelines when they can expect their Lamborghini to reach their home, and they can have this as a part of their life. And the fortunate thing is that the customers really appreciate and they really understand the situation. And as I said before, that we have not received any kind of cancellation from them, and they all are eagerly waiting, because these are challenging times for everybody, and people have accepted this, that it's beyond anybody's control. And yes, we have to be together in these kind of scenario, in these kind of situations, and that's what we are also getting from our customers, and they are together in this with us, and they really understood and appreciated that what we have to go through in these times also in Italy.
Right, right. We've spoken about cars. We've spoken about customers. We've spoken about what Lamborghini is doing to reach out to them. Let's speak a little bit about dealerships. I know you just mentioned briefly about dealerships opening up, and
Hmm.
that was yesterday. With more and more dealerships opening through the month of May, my next question has two parts. A, uh, why did it take a little longer for Lamborghini to open its dealerships? A, and B, over the last few weeks, several weeks, what are the sort of challenges that you've been hearing from the dealership side? What are the kind of communication or feedback that you received from the dealer network?
Yeah. So, first part, yes, it took us slightly longer to start our dealerships, because a lot of them are in the red zone. All three dealerships, Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore, they were in the red zone. And especially in Delhi, we also had certain challenges with the respect to interstate movement of people. So we were not able to get the team so that we can give the right service to our customers. And it took some time for us to start our business both in workshops as well as in showrooms. The second important part was, while we were getting ready for restarting the business, we were also very cautious that we need to ensure that our facilities are sanitized. We put the processes in place, and we train our manpower to ensure that we can take care of them when they are inside the facilities, and also prospects, visitors who are visiting our facilities across India. And how do we also ensure the sanitization of the cars which are going to come into the dealerships, also the test drive cars, also the cars which are coming in workshop. So we wanted to be 100% sure about the processes. We have trained now our people. We are following a standard Lamborghini guidelines to ensure that we keep health and safety of our people as well as visitors on topmost priority. And that took us some time to start the things back to normal. Second part, yes, these are challenging times for the dealership network, because the cost, as you know, in automobile business is quite high to run the business. And these times we were struggling with the revenues coming in, because everything has changed. And also for the coming months, we have a challenge that the plans may not be meeting the desired numbers for this year as we planned at the beginning of the year. But I think we all understand, and all our partners are also understand that Lamborghini or super luxury business is not about today. It's a long-term business, and they have a very long-term understanding and view of the overall picture. So current scenario has created short-term disruptions. We have taken every measure at Lamborghini to see that how we can support our network during these times, especially in terms of liquidity, in terms of cash flows, so that they can manage their business during these times. But we all, including our dealer partners, they are very, very positive about coming months and coming times. And we see that we will be soon out of this challenge, and we will emerge as much stronger than before.